So, hello all developers. This is my hackathon project in the head starter, and in this project I have made the web app named Social Trends, and here is my project overview in VS Code. In this, there is the front-end part, client, and the back-end part. In this client, there is uh, many folders, and I have also used Redux for store management, and there is custom routers and private routers also. So coming to the project part, and this is the social trends, and in this it is a web app where we uh, uh, just same like social media application like Instagram, Facebook, and so on. And in this app, there is option of notifications setting, like when someone, and first we are going to move profile, and in this there is a notification option. Like if someone post, once you followed the someone and that someone is post something, then the notification uh, is is seen in this notification bar. Like when Ashish will post world map, then it will visualize in the notification bar. Here is the notification section. Like if someone commented on your post, then it will show that Himanshu has commented on your post, and Himanshu liked your post, Himanshu started following you. Uh, this is all about notification app. If you followed someone, then like if you are following Hers K, and Abhishek is following Hers K. Okay, fine. Here hers12@gmail.com, and if you log out and if you log in, then you can see that there is notification that Abhishek has started following you. There is notification that Abhishek has started following you. If you post something and like, then it also share notification to that person. This is all about social trends. There is also a notification success on logging successfully. So that's all.